Hi folks, welcome back. It's 2026 and I made a promise, no more kits left behind. Today we're looking at the Tamiya M8 HMC, a classic kit dated back to almost 50 years ago. The M8 is one of the 5 major kits that I plan to finish this year, and in this video let's dive quickly into the box and the progress so far. I've started the M8 on and off during the later stages of 2025, but even until the last week of December I wasn't able to complete it beyond the turret and interior. The interior was super simple, and painting and weathering were keys to make it pop up a bit. I love adding accessories into armor, like rucksack, sandbags, and tarpaulins. Although there are plenty of resin and PE upgrades out there, I'll make my own. The figures are on track, with adding epoxy for the scalp and hair. Every time I build something, I always say it's going to be out of the box. But nope, I always have to add some upgrades. I know it's still a long way to go, but I think this one is quite promising, really. And I'm sure I'll get it done. Tamiya has issued this kit several times over the years. Kit number 312 is a recent one. You can easily identify this by the mentioning of with 3 figures on the top. The original one has only one that is standing here. In typical Tamiya fashion, the box sides have some nice illustration on the finished model and also a 3-side view of the M8. There isn't really not much to see in the box because I've already started building them, but I'll share the link to this live stream videos that I've recorded earlier. What's so amazing about this vintage is that the quality of the mold and surface details are just superb. No flash, no excess plastics, just crisp details. The kit is made for simplicity and easy to assemble, and that goes the same way for the instruction sheet too. Nothing has really changed. The only addition is an extra sheet for the 2 new figures. My last words, although this is a simple build, there are plenty of options for advanced modelers to improve more on the basic kit. Well, that's the plan for the M8. I'm already halfway through it, so I'm not sure what can stop me from tackling this one. And as for you, let me know what your plans are for 2026. Please share them in the chat and comments below, and talk to you soon. Bye for now.